Hey guys, Maryam here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this new microblading eyebrow pen from Essence Cosmetics. It looks like a fork. It's very intimidating, but also kind of intriguing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these microbladed looking brows using this new product. And of course, I'm going to review it for you and let you know whether it's worth your money. All $3.99 of them. Because yes, this product is a drugstore product and it's pretty inexpensive and I'm pretty excited about it. And I want to review this product because I want to know if it's awesome. I hope it is, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you can see all of my Wednesday and Sunday videos. And now let's get to this review and toot microblading eyebrow pen. Is she worth it? Here we come. We got a little card here from Essence Cosmetics. Hi Maryam, live your best brows with our latest eyebrow pen and micro precise eyebrow pencil. In this video, I'm gonna be mainly focusing on this new eyebrow pen that is pretty cool. I would even dare to say revolutionary. It's got this three-prong fork looking marker type of applicator, felt tip, comes in 4 different colors: blonde, light brown, medium brown, and dark brown. I am eager to test this product out and see if in fact it will deliver those microbladed brows that we all so desperately crave and deserve. There's also a new micro precise eyebrow pencil. This is an ultra slim 1.45 millimeter waterproof tip. What? That provides extreme precision so you can create perfectly defined brows with a soft matte formula that will last all day. This product is available in 3 shades. I don't know where the 3rd one went, but that's okay because all I like to use is the dark brown one. That's the one that I'm going to be reaching for. So now for some swatches. Blonde, light brown, medium brown, dark brown. So the cool thing about this tip is that in fact you can draw feathery sort of eyebrow hair strokes to really fill in your brow and add hairs where you need them. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start with my good brow. I'm gonna pick up the shade dark brown. I'm gonna basically start right here with the brow arch and start drawing individual little brow hairs throughout my brow, keeping the pen on a diagonal so that all 3 prongs touch my skin evenly. I'm gonna start filling in my brow very lightly from the bottom. Also gonna go within the width of my brow, and then by the time I get to this inner portion here, I'm gonna start flicking this product up in the direction of my hair growth. Ooh, here is where I actually really see a difference. I think the trick here is to place the prongs exactly where you want the hairs to appear and draw once without overlapping any more hairs. And then same thing on the top. If you want feathery looking brows, just flick this product up, and that actually looks pretty natural. Wow, not bad for a first time use. I will admit I am feeling just a little bit nervous because this is such a unique product that I'm not super duper familiar with, but it's so much fun. Look, it just drew on some eyebrow hairs. Here I'm actually gonna overlap some brow hairs or some brow strokes just to make it look like actual hairs. And would you look at that? It looks like a naturally occurring brow. Wow. So now this looks pretty good to me. Even looking at my mirror and looking at my monitor, it doesn't look like I'm wearing any product and my brow looks like it's my brow, but just a little bit fuller and a little bit hairier. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna take this micro precise eyebrow pencil. This one is $2.99, and I'm just gonna define my brow arch and also this area here just to add a bit more definition to make it look a pinch more groomed. That's looking rather good. I am impressed. All right, on my other brow, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna start off from the brow arch and I'm gonna continue filling it in by adding these fine brush strokes / brow hairs. And same thing, I'm just gonna add this micro precise eyebrow pencil to those areas that need a little bit more definition / shadow, just to keep everything looking as natural as possible. Looking at my monitor, I just realized that I need a little bit more hair strokes right here at the top. Going for a little wolf ear because you know Halloween is right around the corner, so bringing out the wolfies. Yes, might have done a little too much, but that's okay. This is my first time using the product and I'm really just trying to experiment. Now I'm just gonna gently go over the entire brow using my spoolie brush from Urban Decay. I'm not gonna blend it out too much because I still want to have that hair stroke feathery type of appearance, and at this point I am done. done. I am feeling these brows and I am feeling this product. I mean, for $3.99, I think this is a steal. And it definitely gives you that look and feel of natural looking fuller brows that's also really fun to accomplish. Let's zoom in and let's observe the outcome. Honestly guys, I feel like my good brow is looking really good. It's well defined without being overly drawn on, and you honestly can't tell, or at least I can't tell from looking at myself in my monitor, that there's a bunch of brow hair strokes that's been drawn into my brow. It definitely has that feel of a microbladed brow, and I am really digging this technique. I think I'm gonna continue using this product, and I am going to give it my seal of approval. So in fact, this Essence Cosmetics $3.99 eyebrow pen is absolutely worth the money. Not only is it a microblading type of dupe product, it's not really a dupe because it's not tattooing your brows and it's just giving you a wearable look for the day, but I really love the result. I love how my eyebrows look, and I think this is a cool product with 4 shades that you should totally pick up at the drugstore or at the supermarket the next time you're shopping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. Check out some of my other reviews right here, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Deuces.